So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to view pages side by side in your Adobe InDesign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your software in your computer, and after that you guys will need to create a file in your software. So for that guys, there are two ways. The first one is to choose one of these shortcuts, and the second one is to select this create new button right here. If you select this button right here guys, then you get on this window and you can see these options right here. It says saved, print, web, and etc. and many more. And these are all the types of templates that you can use. And after selecting your favorite one, you guys will just need to select this create button. So now guys, after getting here, now you have to first of all create multiple pages right here by just selecting this button like that. As you can see, I have created more than 4 images. Now you just need to select this file button right here, and you can see this document setup option right here, or you can even open it by just selecting its shortcut, which is Ctrl plus Alt plus P. You can choose whichever option, and now you just need to deselect this option which says facing pages, and now just select on OK. After that, you guys will need to select on these 3 bar option, and now you just need to deselect this option right here which says allow document pages to shuffle. And after that, you guys can add these pages to side by side just like that guys. Pick it up and drag it like here, and if you zoom out, you can see all of the pages side by side in your Adobe InDesign. So that's how you guys can see your pages side by side in your Adobe InDesign. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.